Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on Windows. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our web browser and then just type download Roblox. And then it will take you to the download page on Roblox. So as you can see, you can just go and download Windows app and the downloads will start on your PC and you will need just to install the application or to install Roblox and you will have your Roblox app that will be added. Otherwise, there is another method is by clicking on any game on the web. So basically, we need just to log in into your account on the roblox.com and then you can start any game that you would like. So here we need just to click on start and as you can see it will give me the open Roblox. So let's just cancel and as you can see if you didn't had already the Roblox app you will they will give you a message to download and install Roblox. You click on it and the download will start automatically. Otherwise you can just change the URL by here from roblox.com. You will need just to go to the downloads. You click on download and it will take you to this page. And of course, Roblox is already available in many other platforms, like you can download it for Xbox, MetaQuest, and also you can get it from Microsoft. So you need just to go to the menu, Windows menu, you search for store, and go to the Microsoft Store and then search for Roblox and also it will get you or it will make you download the game. So just search for Roblox, we click here and basically we will find the game here and it is free. You click on get and you will have Roblox that will be added into your games on the Microsoft Store. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.